Hi, yeah, it's Richie from Sleep Haven. Just giving you an update regarding a leak that we're currently dealing with at a property. Clients had a new bathroom installed and we've had a leak from the bathroom. It's come through under the floor and through under the carpet. What we've had to do is we've extracted all the water, or as much as we can at the moment, off the surface because it was absolutely soaking. So we've extracted there. We've had to lift the underlay up so we can get, or the carpet up rather, so we can get to the underlay. So we need to do this because obviously it's crept here and you can see the underlay is absolutely soaking. So what we've got to do is we're going to clean the back of the carpet as well, try and extract as much water out the underlay. May have to lift that up as well. We'll sanitise the floor and then sanitise and just clean here, and then put air movers on it to blow it off and dry it. We can do that. The only thing is that obviously because the water and due to the escape, yeah, and that's quite wet as well. So all this needs to really, look, you can see it as I peel it back here. You've got water trapped now between the underlay and the floor in here. We can dry this area out, but my thoughts might be is that this section of underlay may well need replacing, but the carpet, we could just clean the back, sanitise the front, and we'll see how we get on. But my thoughts are that is absolutely soaking, and it might be just as quick and just as cheap to cut out a section of underlay and just replace it there rather than us having to go through and drying it, etc. So that may be the cheaper option. But anyway, we'll try and dry this out, sanitise the floor, and clean that up. But there you go. So that's what we've got to do. Hopefully we'll try and save the carpet. But as I say, the underlay might as well be replaced. I would think we can dry it out, but I'd say probably just replace it. Anyway, that's an update for you on regards to this water leak. But it's going to be a lot drier for the client because it was absolutely soaking. All right, many thanks.